Honorable MLA from the NDPP who had shared his thoughts on the railway election very recently was his personal opinion. He had clarified it publicly. So I have no comments. But as long as our alliance is concerned, we have alliances, but here in the local body elections, both the parties we had discussed earlier, but it transpired to be in this manner, so we are going to have a friendly match in some places. I saw it on the WhatsApp. I do not know the authenticity of that clip. We've heard about it, but I have no comments because there is no confirmation about it from our party. And Honorable Advisor Tovihoto had not commented, and I don't think those discussions took place. It is up to any political party to give their opinion, so I have no comment on it. No, we have very few seats where BJP MLAs are representing 3 or 4 towns. In those areas we have filed a nomination and will be contesting. The constituencies of the BJP from the Eastern Nagaland, they are not contesting because they have their own issues to be settled. They have their own mind. But I'm sure it's the alliance government between NDPP and BJP. So NDPP had also filed in several places in their own towns for discussion. No, as far as the NPO is concerned, there's a dialogue which has to be concluded. And so best sense prevailed for them. And if they had decided to not file the nomination or withdraw the nomination, it is up to them because they have the other bigger issues to be resolved. It's particularly on the trust on those intending candidates for any political party to come out unopposed, their candidates. So in few towns, few candidates are there from all political parties who have been declared unopposed. Yesterday was the last date of withdrawal, so it is a good sign for all the parties.